every cloud has a silver lining. And same way, the fear, the stress that COVID-19 gave us had some positivity attached, and that is that the digital market has got a wider range, a wider reach, and sustainability. Now, because this digital market has wider reach, wider sustainability, it has a wider scope to start your business, to market your business. And once it comes, if I can earn digitally, how can I earn? This is the question that comes to the mind. And this is what I'm going to answer today. I'll be discussing 12 digital products that you can sell online and start your business today from your home itself. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Akshita, Bahuguna, and as an edupreneur, I have been talking about business creation and skill development. I repeat, skill development is the foundation of any business creation. Still, for creating the business, we need products, and today we'll be discussing 12 different digital products that you can sell online. Now, before we talk about digital products, let me tell you that what are the reasons that digital products are better than the physical products. Number one, it has got low investment and better returns. Second, digital products are more profitable than physical goods. You don't need to buy the inventory and keep it at some place. No rent, no inventory, no shipping. Digital things can be automated easily digitally, and that easily becomes a source of passive income for us. We can start serving a niche area, and then maybe we can grow and scale it to the bigger audience. There are many things that we can get when we talk about digital products, and the one which is closest to me, something that I stand for, is leveraging the shift towards the online education. As an educator, as the people from education, we need to leverage this and use it. There are many digital products that we can sell, and I'll be discussing few of them today with a special emphasis on online courses that can be started. The 12 different ways to sell your products, and the first one is ebook. You don't need to find a publisher or anybody. You can simply write and search online ebook and sell it. If you give this education, this information to others, obviously you earn. And once written and marketed, you can have a repeat income out of it. A way to earn passively. You don't have to indulge in it every time. You just have to tell people, yes, my book is there on web, buy it. One. Second, the online courses. I started my life as a tutor and teaching students. Now, one thing that I found very painful was I had to dig the well every time, because once I taught the students, it's all finished, and the next year again I have to market myself, I have to prove my worth, I have to write the same story every time. Probably that was one of the things that made me disinterested in it, and I started exploring new things. Now I realized that had I recorded few videos and shared them and then provided some coaching, like some attached things, it would have lasted longer. And I would have been able to earn the passive income, as well as I would been able to get more traction and do my things. I missed the bus that time, but it's never too late. So I started this online tutoring and coaching. Unbox Entrepreneurship is all about that, and the videos we are doing here is all about that. And in online courses, I must tell you, you can teach anything. You can teach swing, you can teach yoga, guitar, music, meditation, dance, juggling, professional development, life development, art and craft, photography, copywriting, graphic designing, academic subjects, or you can do anything that you want. You can sell any course over there, beautician, any course. So if you have an expertise and you wish to train people on that, you just need to start online course on that. Unbox Entrepreneurship has a full-fledged course on it. Otherwise also there are myriad ways of doing it that you can research and do. But yes, online course is something that works today. That is something that is a calling for anybody who wants to be a teacher, tutor, trainer, course creator, mentor, consultant, anything. And this is what I would recommend. Try this. Do it. Now, the third thing that you can sell online is any subscription or membership. The one like we have in Netflix, something like that. The subscription, if you buy the subscription, you get this to see all these things, and you can do. So that is something that again you can sell digitally. And subscription is a recurring revenue by building and serving a community on an ongoing basis. Next, what we can do is graphic design. Nowadays, there are many startups, many people who are looking to market themselves, to present themselves, and they need people who can outsource these things. So maybe the graphic design work is something that you can do. Maybe you can draw it on Canva and then sell your services to the different organizations. Fifth is, if you have that taste and that expertise to prepare the templates. Everybody is looking for a template that can be downloaded and then they can use. So people are ready to buy those templates. You can prepare any template, a WordPress template or a template for presentations, anything that you think for some advertisement that can be prepared and sold. We all have heard the names of pixels, stock images, and so what are they doing? They are actually selling the photographs. So you can also sell the stock photographs for yourself. Seventh, you can sell the music and audio that you make. You can sell the music and audio that you can make and sell it online digitally. Maybe in YouTube also. There are many YouTube influencers that has grown nowadays, and it is all because of the strength of the social media that they could achieve it. They prepare music, they put it online, they get the influences, they get the followers, and rest is history. So we can do that. Now, eighth is softwares. You can prepare, if you have that expertise to do coding and make softwares. You can prepare WordPress theme, you can prepare fitness app, you can prepare mobile app, or any app or any software that can be sold. There are many consultancies which are being given online nowadays. That is again a one way of making a digital product. Ninth digital product can be web-based application. Web-based application is somewhat similar to software, but one thing that is different is it cannot be downloaded from the web and cannot be installed in your mobile or in your laptop. That is the difference. Maybe you can do a research and collect certain data that can be sold. In the era of content marketing, everything is a content, and whatever is a content, it sells. So data selling is something that you can do. You can sell the recipes, how to prepare something. You can sell the printables, something that you have made and somebody wants to buy it, a printable material. That is what you can sell. And you can sell, or you can enroll yourself in Amazon as a seller. These are the 12 different items that you can sell online and get your business started. A low investment business ideas that can help you to get started, and then sky's the limit. You can reach anywhere. You will be happy and you'll be more entrepreneurial after you start doing it on a regular basis. Hope The ideas would help you to be happy, be entrepreneurial, and live the life of abundance. And if you wish to continue your journey of unboxing entrepreneurship, keep liking, subscribing, and following us. And don't forget to share it with your friends, families, and fellows. Thank you.